All right, so we got the Yeryork electric wood chipper here. This is electric, has to be plugged in. If we look right here, this is the blade system. Blades are replaceable, and it comes with a tool to replace it and put it together. Now, if we talk about how to put it together,
I was like, why is
close
that
this
funny?
up. Basically, you have two legs right here, and you would attach them there. You put the screw in there, and then you have this spindle that goes here, and you have some bolts, and you can bolt them up like that. It comes with the supplied Allen key. So assembly's pretty simple. It does have some plates that go over the wheels to hide everything. I'm gonna leave mine off because I'm gonna take this apart. So I'm not gonna be using this all year long, all right? It does have a pusher, which we might see. You have your attachment here to plug it in. So we will plug it in like so. On and off button, and you have a bag. This is where all the chips get caught. All right, so let's kind of try this thing out. We're gonna turn it on. Works. This is how it grinds everything up inside here. Sort of pull out some. You could use these wherever you want. If you have animals. But this is what you're looking at. So it shreds it pretty good. You can even shred it against, put it against your lawn. So this is the Yeryork electric wood chipper / shredder, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it works. Should be plenty powerful because you are plugging it in. It's not like you have a battery to worry about. And if you have any jams, you just basically unscrew it like you saw, and you can clear it out. Pretty neat little tool. Definitely cool thing to have in your landscaping arsenal.